little incident here. We're going to try and escape the police. How beautiful is this?
Gentlemen, good morning. It is 2:30 a.m. We're just waking up on the beautiful island Koh Samui. Finish packing up, get dressed, and head to go catch the ferry. Let's go.
Oh yeah. This is Thai style if ever I've seen this. Improvise, adapt, overcome. Well, here we are at the Sea Tran Pier, 4 a.m. I think our Sea Tran leaves at 5, and then we start our trip up to Surat. It's going to be an extra fun one because the road tax on this card's actually expired. So we're going to try and escape the police on the way up to Bangkok. A little secret adventure, because this girl
This girl is just a girl.
she's just a girl. She doesn't know how road tax works. So we've just gone to sell and we've got enough caffeine to tranquilize a horse. And it should be a fun one. Look at this girl. Looking all cute and confused. Oh, here we go. Excuse me, miss? Yes, hello.
Hello?
Question. Can I perhaps get your Instagram?
I have a boyfriend.
Oh, is he hot?
Feel damn hot.
Yeah. Woo. My ass is going to be so sore after 700 kilometers sitting in that seat. We out. We're off to that big city life. Let's check if CMOC survives. Okay, mate. How beautiful is this? We love it. Oh yeah. Do we have anything? Soi ma. Happy with that? That's not going anywhere. Oi. Good boy. Woo! Oh! Look at our left here, we've got a lovely yellow truck with some classic brown age spots. Isn't this beautiful? Yum. Shall we hit the road?
Let's hit something.
The Frog and Toad.
Let's what?
The Frog and Toad,
The frog and toad.
as we say in Australia. But first, let's stop into the 7 and get a pimple patch for me so I can go back to being beautiful. Let's go. What?
As a people.
Oh. Like this one, but not the dots.
The Coca-Cola.
Chai. One like that.
Hey, it's one of the rare items, babe.
I need something refreshing.
Then this one is Coca-Cola as well. The red one.
I want something that's more like juicy, not creamy.
No, it's Coca-Cola.
Ah, perfect. I'm sold. This one it is. Yum.
Yep. Alright, we're entering Bangkok.
Bummy round.
How about we race that BMW?
Alright, bet. He doesn't know we're racing, but we'll see what happens.
We lose sure.
He lose sure. Jack.
No, we lose sure.
No, he lose sure. We never lose. Losing is not in my DNA, darling. I'll go see my... We're actually winning for now.
Yeah, what do you expect from big bike?
No, we gave him a
Yeah.
head start. We gave him a head start. Little incident here. We're more than halfway, but we've had a little mechanical problem. Here we go. That's gone a bit warm and it's come off. We do have a new ring for it. So I just hope we can go into the 7-Eleven and get the tool to tighten this up. Then we can replace it and be back on the road, hopefully. If not, then we're stuck about halfway up the coast of Thailand. So let's have a look in Selwyn and see what we can find.
And fix a car.
Bit of a dangerous situation. So we just got away from the gas station. The intercooler ring came off, but fortunately we got saved by a bunch of lovely Thai people at the station there. So we're back on the road. Fingers crossed nothing else goes wrong. We've got about 300 Ks left to go. En route to the dream life, baby. Woo! I'm so excited to get home and eat and sleep and actually work properly again. There you go. I'm taking the secret routes. This is why I brought an off-road vehicle. Get a little electric car, not like this. We made it back, lads. 750 Ks in the bank. I'm exhausted, so I'm going to go to sleep. Hope you boys enjoyed this vlog. And as always, see you in the next one.